how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's great seeing you. Let me know in the comments how you feel and how are you and how are you this weekend. I feel like it's been ages since I uploaded something. I do want to let you know that my schedule is so busy, so hence I upload like less video per month, but nothing changed. I still have plans for some video that I want to upload that I'm working on right now, and I still have a video that I need to finish editing. It's Friday, it's the end of December, and I'm very excited for the new year, by the way, but you probably see this video in January. This morning I woke up, made myself like the go-to breakfast, which is egg and avocado toast. Usually I eat avocado, cottage or something else with the egg and the toast. Went for electricity shop, and that's all. Basically I want to show you, I do want to share with you what's going on around my life and how my days usually are now that I'm student full-time. So in one of the classes we need to make like an object that can move. You have two options. You can build something that have two separate moves, or something else that when you move something, that moves something else. So that's a bit difficult and hard to make, but I wanted to go on the second option. By the way, the material is MDF. I made a swan, so my motion that I picked is like so it can move left and right, but when you turn the swan all the way to the right, it opens its wing like that, which is really cool. That was the first project, and now we need to make that from the actual material that we think about. So I chose concrete and polyester. If you don't know what polyester is, it's basically very toxic glue, I guess you can call it that. This one itself will be clear, and I wanna, just a bonus, I don't know if I will make it at the end, but I wanna put here somewhere LED lights. So it's not gonna be a lamp, but it will be toy that you can notice it at the end of the room, you know what I mean. First of all, I want to apologize about the quality of that video because I'm filming with my phone. What else you want to know? My outfit of the week, maybe, I don't know. I'm wearing pull and bear tee, and I just wearing black jeans. My shoes and my jacket actually from ASOS. So that's my outfit. And what else I want to tell you? I woke up in Tel Aviv actually like every single day, and drove to my father's place. Basically I just want to give you a small update on what I'm doing with my life right now, and the reason why I don't upload video on a regular basis. So if you're going back to the swan, I wanted to show you like the final project, but I'm not sure if I'll upload that video before I finish the swan, because that's the end of the semester and I need to finish the swan on not Friday, Wednesday. But I don't know if I will have time to film that. Maybe yes. If I am, I will insert video somewhere in the screen. And except I don't know, I will let you know. Basically it's pretty busy Friday. If you don't know, Friday in Israel it's like the weekend, so I don't have free weekend. I feel like I'm mumbling all over the place, but I just want to let you know what's going on seriously and ask how are you and what's going on with your life, because don't get me wrong, I love learning interior design, but I really miss YouTube and like that platform. So I thought, why not film like short vlog, and maybe it will turn a thing, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below, maybe if you want to see for example short vlog about my life as interior design student, and I could show you like small projects. So it's basically like a DIY videos, I don't know. Anyway, I don't know, seriously. I need to go build my swan, so I will see you later. Bye.